All right, if you chose to do a digital poster, meaning that you're going to create something in either PowerPoint or Publisher or Word, and you want to submit it digitally, I'm going to show you the steps to do that. I'm only going to do it in Word because I don't know what you guys are doing at home, but here is the way to do it with Word. It would be pretty much the same thing with the other options as well. So you're going to go over here where it says File. And so here, sorry, let me go back. Here you see that I have my little poster here. I've included my name. I've included the natural disaster that I've done. I'm going to click File. Then I'm going to click Save As. So I know you've been good at saving your project as you've gone, but we're going to go ahead and click Save As. Now, we're going to download as a PDF. And what a PDF does, we're going to download that, is it creates this, it creates the same thing, but whoever's looking at it can't edit it. And so it makes it into a nice format to where people can look at it. If you use like a special font, like for example, I had a really fun font here, but because I'm on a different computer that doesn't have that font, it got rid of it, right? So what it does is it saves it as kind of like it takes a picture and freezes it, and so whoever has access to it is only seeing what you want them to see. All right, so now we have that. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that we save this to our computer. All right, that's our other stuff that we've done throughout the year. All right, cool. So now it's saved. So in my email, whoever your teacher is, you're going to put their email there. Your subject, make sure you have your name, and we know that this is your natural disaster project. And then you're also going to use correct email etiquette. So, hello, I have attached my wildflower digital poster. Thank you, enjoy, and then sign it with your name. So, in your email, you're going to have something that says attach. So, you're going to attach that document. So, we saved it on my desktop. So right here, natural disaster word example. That's what I saved it as. You can save it differently with your name. And then I see that it's there. It's a part of my email now. And then I'm going to click send. And that's all I have to do. And your teacher will have this PDF version of your project.